Good morning, everyone. It's Pastor Yvaana here from Spring Assembly, and I just wanted to share something with you this morning. Something that you'll get to know about me is that I like to write. I get inspired throughout the day, but especially in the mornings. Something that God has placed in my heart that I just feel that I just need to outpour, and its manifestation is in how I write. And I wanted to share some of these with you so that you might also be blessed, because when I write them and when I read them, it just makes me feel really good and really happy, and I just continue to rejoice and praise God for these messages that he puts in my heart. So I wanted to start sharing them with you. I call them love poems because that was the only way that I could really describe them. But some would say that they are prayers. Some might say that they are psalms. So yeah, I'll let you guys interpret it as you wish to interpret it. I just hope that in sharing it with you, you can also be blessed and maybe find some peace, some answers, or even just find something that will make you start asking more questions. So do feel free to, always message back and to say if you were blessed by it. It'd be great to hear that you were blessed by it. But if you do have any questions of it and you want to find out more about yourself, about God, then contact us at Spring Assembly and we'll get the conversation started. So I'm just going to go into reading my psalm now, or my love poem, as I said, my little exhortation. And it's titled Rediscovering Self. Who am I? I can't see me anymore. Days, weeks, months have gone by, but my vision is nothing like it was before. He whispered to me, a voice that sounded like mine, suggesting I lock myself away and stop eating and everything would be fine. But I'm in pain now, my body, my heart, and in my mind, because when I look in the mirror, those laughter lines and bright eyes no longer can I find. He stole them from me, from right under my nose, making it seem like him and I held a revelation that nobody else knows. He stole my joy, peace, and happiness, with hopes to kill me and destroy my future. But I read the truth about me, heard the intentions for my life, and I'm ready to fight for my treasure back from this looter. Better still, I will take up the sword, I'll ready myself and swing, defending the cause for all of God's other children. Because my Father saved me, shining a light in the darkness, revealing the truth so that my eyes can adjust in this realm and realign my focus. My life is now his, a status that I would never refuse. For what is a life except through him? I was but a wanderer, existing, dazed and confused.